Today I'm making a whole chicken in the air fryer for lunch. This is simple and easy to make, and it's so good. To start, I'm going to create a dry mix rub. Here I have Lowry's seasoning salt. I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons, a little bit of smoked paprika, half teaspoon. I'm going to go in with some onion powder, garlic powder, teaspoon of each, half teaspoon to a teaspoon of each, lemon pepper, give it a mix, and this is what I'm going to season my chicken with. You could use any rub that you like or combination of seasonings and spices that you prefer, but this works for me. Here we go. Here I've rinsed my chicken. This is a whole chicken. This is around 3.5 pounds of a whole chicken that I rinsed, patted dry. Now I'm going to add several tablespoons of olive oil and just sort of rub it all over the skin. So with a clean hand, I'm going to do my best to season this and go right into the cavity with the dry seasoning mix. And just all over the exterior. I've already sprayed this with some nonstick cooking spray, the cooking oil that comes in the spray form, and I'm going to place my chicken breast side down, just like that. Here I have 2 small whole onions that I like to add in. These are just going to be roasted onion. Here I am trying not to make a mess there. We'll do it like that. So I'm going to clean my hands and I'll show you the temp and the cook time. Okay, clean hands. So this is going into my air fryer for breast side down for about 35 minutes in a 360-degree air fryer temp. Okay, so this is cooked 35 minutes on the first side. I'm going to flip it over carefully here. I'm actually going to flip over the onion as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to sprinkle more of the seasoning mix over the top. And it smells wonderful. That smoked paprika gives it kind of like that pollo asado smell, the grilled smell. Okay, going back into the air fryer for another, this is a smaller chicken, so I'm going to do about 25 minutes. Check the temp. You'll want the temperature to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So the cook time is always going to vary. And another point I'd like to make is if you're starting with an extra cold chicken, that's going to create more cook time and less of an even cook. So you want to make sure you're working with a really good thawed chicken that you kind of left out on the counter for about 15 or 20 minutes to get the chill off. Okay, going back in. So check that out. It is definitely done. So I'm going to remove it from the air fryer basket and let it rest. There we go. Looks great. And here are my little onions. I'm going to chop those up. but just let them hang out. Okay, so you can loosely tent this with foil, and you'll definitely want to let it rest for at least 20-25 minutes. I'm probably going to let this set for about 30. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.